Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make mini red velvet cupcakes. This recipe is the healthy version of red velvet. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start by making buttermilk. Simply by combining milk along with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, give a mix, and then set this aside. Meanwhile, in separate bowl, we're gonna add 50 grams of coconut sugar or castor sugar along with olive oil. Next, we're gonna add half teaspoon of vanilla and the buttermilk that we made earlier and mix all together. Here I'm using organic food color. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of red color. I'm using liquid color. Next, we're gonna add the dry ingredients. We're gonna add flour along with half tablespoon of cocoa powder, and now we're gonna sift the dry ingredients. Next, half teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Now I'm using an ice cream scoop. Grab some of that butter and fill each cupcake liner. This recipe makes 12 small cupcakes, but if you want bigger cupcakes, you can just use this butter for only 7 or 8 cupcakes. And then we're gonna bake this 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. So that's all my version of red velvet cupcakes. You can add cream cheese frosting if you want. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope that you like the healthy version of red velvet. And if you like it, please give a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. God bless.